Across the globe, the Earth crafts spectacular yet terrifying spectacles. In Florida, sudden sinkholes swallow entire streets, leaving communities puzzled and wary. Meanwhile, in Chile, as volcanic eruptions rage, electric skies dance with rare lightning phenomena, captivating yet dangerous. Over in Iceland, the northern lights awe onlookers amidst fierce Arctic storms, displaying nature's dual nature of beauty and chaos. Down in Peru, relentless rains swell rivers, unleashing floods that transform landscapes in heartbreaking moments. While in Russia, winter reveals ice volcanoes on frozen lakes, a rare sight blending wonder with the raw power of cold nature. These diverse occurrences remind us of nature's unpredictable mastery over land and sky, forever reshaping our world.